还要断。怎么会这样子的？先转一圈先呢，不管了。
There is the single needle quilting machine. The machine is still compressing, so there is a later time.
between the common single needle cutting machine.
Yes.
Common ones only has one head, one beam and one head, so the output is limited.
Yes. For our limited mode fill the virtual mattress pillows at the same time, both output is double.
Yes. It's also different from the common single needle cutting machines in the market. In the common market, the common two-head single needle cutting machines, the two heads are in one beam. So it's not just two mattress panels together, but it only can quilt two mirror patterns together. So every time it can only finish one mattress panel. But this machine, it will finish two panels together at one time.
Yes. Because we hear some feedback from the customer, they also have the one thing. The disadvantage of that mode is sometimes one has to do take rest because some
Patterns.
program systems have on it, so sometimes it has to go quiet.
Yes.
Yeah, so we update with this mode.
Systems, but operations is almost the same with the common single needle cutting machines. The workers who can operate the common single needle cutting machines well, so he can also operate these machines well.
Yes, because the head, the sewing head is the same. Now this mode equipped with the good of sewing head. Let us focus the
Yes, you can closer look. Now let's take a closer look at our sewing heads.
sewing head is equipped with the top sewing head. This has performed very stable and its speed can up to 3,000 rounds per minute. So the output is stable and quick. The bobbins, just need to click the green button, then the bobbin box will come out, then you can change the bobbin. It's convenience for the operator to change it. And For the forming, we use the big rotary hole. Rotary hole. The diameter is 3.2 centimeters. 3.2 centimeters. When we hold the two of flats, it can support the machine to wheels around 4 to 5 species mattress panels.
Continuous pattern tag
Drum.
or second jump.
Taking drums continuous pattern can support the machine to wheels around 2.3 pieces mattress panels at one time. If you choose the small rotary hole, the small ones, when just finish one piece, you have to
Change
revolving.
waste a lot of time for changing bobbins.
Yes. So it will make the production is slow. Take out introduce some button functions here. Button functions and click the black green button. You can control the sewing head stop working and stop, and press the black one. The sewing head will stop. Then you press here. Here, the operator can use the flapping. Use the flapping. Here the flapping button also. And this one is used to control the sewing head moving. You can use this button to locate the broken parts position to make a comprehension. Our machine also has a comprehension function, because sometimes the sewing when the bobbin is worn out, some parts will broken. You have to control the sewing head, go back to the broken parts to comprehending the broken part. And this one is used to building the fabric on the
other side is other sewing machines about mattress technology. You can share our the message to all our customers and old friends. Thank you. And this is Zolytech live streaming. If you like us, please give us a like. Thank you.
There's plenty of machine instruction video and the maintenance video class.
Yes.
Please follow our
TikTok. And we are planning to upload more and more videos for our customers. Get to know more about our machines and our
Here are some sample.
看到它。
with the brand. So when we cut, when we finish the cutting process, we can send the hello to. I'm seeing here the mattress panel already with the brand. This brand just like the overlock function. Just send this panel go to the cutting machine, then situation, then you can send it to type H process. But this brand is used to use the sewing head. Use this so-called sewing head to make. So the working efficiency will be low. So we upgrade the machines with two sewing heads.
On the cutting box. Each side of the cutting box.
Cutting box. Yes. So cutting box. But now we are no machines in the shop. So I just tell you you can have one option if you want to make two sewing heads on here. Improve the working efficiency. To overload the
And then we would like to introduce you some information about electronic box.
Yes. Then the Charlie price order positions on here.
Yes, it's under the cutting box.
Yes.
Okay. This machine adopts the servo system. Is the Chinese very famous brand Innovance. Innovance is a very popular servo motor system and already adopted in many fields, including our mattress machines. co-founders of the Universe are 19 members, and 17 of them are working Huawei. So all the co-founders has the same gene of as Huawei, and this company Universe already ranked into the Fortune 50 in Fortune magazine, published by Boston Fortune magazine, and it's also very famous in China.
Yes, and as we see, because the electronic parts all located on here, so when you take this machine, the cutting part must shipping with the protein parts. Because the metallic part is on here. Well, some customer will ask me, can we just buy the protein parts, because they say they can cut the mattress panel just by manual. But this machine does not working because the electronic part is replaced with the cutting machine.
For the cutting box, because it has blades. It has 3 blades. Two side cutting blades and 1 cross cutting blade. Okay. Okay, this is the side of this cutting box. We can see there are two side cutters. This side it has one, and the other side has another one, and 1 cross cutting blade is on the other side. It goes to the other side. Yeah, it has 3 blades, so it has 2 functions: 2 cross cutting and 1 cross cutting and 2 side cutting, so that you can get the tidy mattress panels. And it has the safe protection system. Whenever you want to open the cutting box to check the working situations, the machine will stop it immediately as soon as you want to open this cutting box. So we don't suggest you to it has the safety sensor.
This will prevent to fix everything can goes on here. When you finish the hands and other things get goes here, the machine will automatically stop to protect the operator safety.
Yeah, safety goes first. All the materials will be tested with materials in our workshop before shipping out. Now March, the last 4 days of March, it will be our Interzoo Guangzhou exhibitions. And during the exhibitions, we will present you our newest technology, and we can guide you to visit Nero's booths. So we are now a very close relationship with Nero company. We are business partners. During the here now on my hand, this is the high-speed pocket spring production line. One pocket spring coning machine can match one set of pocket assembly machines can match 3 sets of pocket spring coning machines, and its speed can reach to 180 pieces per minute. The speed is very high, but it's not the highest, because during the exhibition, Nero company will present you the newest technology. The highest one can reach to 260, right?
Yes.
260 pieces per minute.
He's accepting it because it's the new product's launch phrase, launch meeting.
Yes. It's very exciting, and we would like to invite all our friends and customers to visit our booth in Interzoo Guangzhou.
At the end of this month.
Yes.
The date is 28th to 31st.
Yes.
31st.
4 days. And after the Interzoo Guangzhou, we will
take part Germany Cologne.
Interzoo Cologne. Yes.
Interzoo Cologne.
In May. 10几号? In May, yeah. And we will send you our invitation letters to our friends.
Yes, if you want to get our invitation letter, please leave your comments. After the end of our live streaming.
Yes.
After finish the shows, we will contact you and send you the invitation letter so that you will go to China or to Germany to visiting our booths.
Yes, welcome, and it's our great honor.
Yes.
And except the pocket spring machines, at last before we end of this our live stream, we would like to introduce you our here, our turnkey project. Yeah, that means we can customize mattress production line for new factory or upgrade your existing mattress machines. Yes.
Yes, but if you are planning to set up a new mattress factories, you can contact us. We can provide you the turnkey product from the type 8 machine, quilting machine, cutting machine, pocket spring machines, or the other small machine like the border making machine, layering machines.
Yes.
As well as the one-time service.
Yes.
That's
Yeah,
yes.
One turnkey. Yeah, one stop.
One stop service, as well as the material supplies.
Yes.
All the material related with the mattress productions.
Yes. And this is our automation mattress production line. We believe the higher automation level, the smarter management, I think. And for new factories, we sure can customize all the mattress machines for our customers. But what should we do if we want to set up a new factory? What's the first step?
The first step
yes.
is we will send you a basically base form for you to fill in, because our engineer must before setting the production line, our engineer must to know some necessary information of your factory or your mind, because your idea is very important for us also to building your dreams mattress factory.
Yes.
Now, okay, let us see what we should fill in the forms, like the monthly productions, how many mattresses you want to produce per month, and the mattress type of mattress.
Yeah, there are two types of mattress springs. One is pocket spring, and the other is bone spring. Because in your market, what kind of mattress springs is more popular?
Yes, it depends on your market. If the Bonnell is the hot in your market, we will suggest you the Bonnell's machine, not a pocket spring machines.
Yes.
And as well as you have to inform us the proportion.
Yes, the proportion of Bonnell spring or the pocket spring.
And
the layers of compoundings,
and what the weights of your mattress, and the thickness of the mattress pillows.
Yes.
and the factories.
Nowadays, more and more people like to lay down and have a good rest. That means they need more comfortable layers. The market, it depends on the market, of course. People like one comfort layers, then we do one comfort layers. If they need 2 layers, then we can do 2 layers. But for the compounding system is a little bit different. We can choose one compounding system or 2 sets of compounding systems as well.
Yes, because different markets have different requirements, so it depends on what is hit on your markets.
Yes.
And the most important things we would like to know what is your factory layouts and the factory plant scales is important for us, because we don't know there have any blocks in your factory. So when we produce the production line, we have to take attention on the blocks.
Okay, obstacles. Yes. The layout of your workshop is very important for our first step, because when we get your workshop layout, we will send it to our engineers to design all the mattress production line blueprint for you first. Then we will take more time to discuss and remind or to fix till to its reasonable situations, so that we can finish the whole project successfully.
Yes. If you really want to make this discussion process be short, you can invite us to your company to take a look.
Yes.
Then it will speed up the whole process.
Yes, because we already can go abroad to visit our customers.
Yes.
Just send us your invitation letters, and then we will send out our engineers and sales together to your factory to see the real situation, to speed up the process. Yes, and that is our turnkey project. Yeah, this is the automated production line. You can also check check videos on our YouTube now. We will post and upload more and more videos, especially factory cases in our domestic line for you to
Browse.
to browse and to consider to get a very first idea about the automation production line. Yes, and this is almost the end of our live streaming today.
It's almost there.
Yes, before we ending, we would like to introduce you to our InterZoom Guangzhou once again, and the date is
March 28 to March 31st.
yes, 4 days, 4 days. And we already received some old friends. Let's say we already received some response of our old friends, and from this month, this month, several friends have visited our factory and negotiate many business things and reached a very win-win and ideal situation about our business, and hope we can see more friends during the InterZoom Guangzhou.
Yes, after the exhibition, we can bring you to here to take you around, show you around our factory.
Yes.
Because some machine is ready on here. It's just a convenience for the customer to check our machine to visiting our factories.
Yes,
and just like this machine is
yes,
ready,
of course.
as well as the multi-liter quilting machine also on the second floor. We have a small production lines on there.
Yes, and what's more exciting is that on the fourth floor of our building, you can watch the mattress automated production line on our fourth floor.
Fourth floor also have our production lines.
Yes.
Just like this one.
Yeah. And during the InterZoom Guangzhou, we will present you our newest technology, including hemming station in mattress production line. And welcome every lady and gentleman. And if you like us, please give us a like. And that's all for today.
It's over today. Okay,
Bye-bye.
See you next Thursday.
Yeah, see you Thursday.
Thursday,
Bye-bye.
this Thursday. Bye-bye.
怎么还